Juvenis.
South Lagos. My show is July 29th in a hotel. My name is Kennedy Lagos. I need help. I need help. So after this performance, I'll come to your table, sir, for sponsorship, sir. I've only paid for a hotel car park. It remains the walkway. We're paying small, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Mr. Liam Mohammed, I'll come to meet you. Yes, sir. I know you can. You're not like to meet you online, sir. Right now, sir, I'm not even going to wait at the fair whether an assurance or whether an accolade. Because this Lagos, now I go in 2009 when I start comedy. I go on church for after school day recite. And they call me, say, Kenny Black, I want you to perform. I go with my band, and they do me to come into my band. When I come with, they give 17 of us 3K. That's full payment, not advance. You know, like, how 3K when they carry all of us reach Ejigo? I said, because we Trek and reach Alaba Express. From there, we're supposed to see, when we call it Alaba, they're going to call, yeah, Ejigo, 700. We say, I ain't going to 700. When we reach Soya, we'll go see 200 naira. That's what we will reach Soya. Because they say, yeah, Ejigo, 700. We say, like, we must surely see for Sele Express. That's what we try to reach Sele Express. When we go reach Sele Express, they say, yeah, Ejigo, 200. We say, like, show us that. When we go reach Paco, we go see 200. Oh, we can't reach Paco. They say, yeah, Ejigo, 200. We say, like, we show for when we reach Jakonde Estate. We go see Ejigo. When we call it Jakonde, they call Ejigo 15 naira. Because see Ejigo for first. When we go enter Auto, as we can't reach Ejigo, the money call us. We can't try go back, go Alaba Express, call different. Many things still work for Nigeria, especially for Lagos. I wish say DJ Khaled na Lagosian. Imagine say DJ Khaled na conductor for Mushin. All those, no, you go there too. You go call you with cutting. I'm sure. One day, sure. This box is going straight to the shop. Feel me? No stopping in a bed. No stopping around, just straight to the shop. You can't enter the motor because they say your money. Your money, because say your money. Because they staff, you call that you're small. You know, I appreciate it. I'm gonna go now. Tobati behind. Let me come back. You know we're the best. How carry but to come the market for grand, come to shoot the guy. What's my name? The guy go to DJ Khaled. What's my name? DJ Khaled. 2 days later, the guy they work out, and the guy they say, oh so. And the guy go say, no, another one. He go switch, and we need to switch. Eh? There's a guy called Slim Case in Nigeria. I need to find that guy. They must beat that guy. Everybody is now shaku-shakulizing. Nobody go, if you want to do something, go ring. Now, if you don't shaku-shaku, it not go make sense. And they follow DJ Khaled gist for dream. I need to say, Kenny, that how can I come with the Nigerian market? As you have the feature Slim Case, just feature Slim Case in White Sauce, the remix. You and Rihanna. Say, call Slim Case, then they call Slim Case. Yo, Slim Case. What's that? No, don't shout at me. How you doing? Are they coding that? No, we don't take that here. We don't take that here. I want you to do a song with Rihanna. Talk about no, wow. Can you do a song with Rihanna? What touch the remix? Say, I'm a call. We the producer. They know Mastercraft. Yeah. Alright, no problem. Ladies and gentlemen, I shocked when DJ Khaled sent me this track.
We the best music. DJ Khaled. Another one.
DJ Khaled, come.
You have to be small to understand what's about to happen right now. DJ Khaled, Wild Up the Remix, then James Fights, Slim Case, that's how we got What's the song? DJ Khaled, come on now. Rihanna, Sassy.
I don't know if you could take it. I know you want to see me make it. I don't know if you can make it. Spin it as I can get your make it. Like always says on the ground. You gotta get me just a cameo. I'm too down. Right in the days that I'm going through. Wow.
But before I go, another collaboration will make sense for this country. Now when Empire come Nigeria, what do for Lagos? Say, man, we need to do something. Who know this song? I will tell you that I love you tonight. They can say we need to feature song. They call Flavor can match with the girl. But you have to bring Mastercraft to produce that beat. They call Flavor. Hello Flavor. Oh yeah, no, Flavor. They say, okay, we'd like you to do when the man, I'll tell you I love you tonight with the girl. The girl voice we don't crack. Because say Flavor key high. I wish you could hear with this. DJ, let's go. Something like this. Yeah, the girl. Flavor. Again, I will tell you that I love you tonight, but I know that I've got time on my side. Where you going? Why you leaving so soon? Is there somewhere else that's better for you? What is love if you're not here, baby? What is love if it's just us and God? What is love if it's just us and the air? What is love if you're not really sure? What is love if it's just us and the for me, Flavor will just come. Matalafu Raisimo. When they make my corocoto, they rise you. Chop, if I catch you, I go chop you like carrots, yo. Baby, no. Oh, you're not too much, go shot. What is that Flavor? Without you, what is that? Without some corocoto, what is love without the flavor now, but yeah. Hey! What is love without some what is love without the ashawo? What is love without the flavor now, but yeah. Oh yeah! God bless you.
Your Excellency. Oh, sir. Can we give a round of applause to all the people that have performed so far? Can we give them a round of applause? Now, well done. Ross, however, when I know vex and I'm panting, but I'm not too strong. Yeah, it's no jokes, I'm sick. Yeah, I know this is the first time ever that I'm going to be actually ill to the point where I'm struggling to perform for the past 20 years. And trust me, doing this sickness, now no say, get some sickness when you're just good, get some sickness when I no one sick, like malaria. Now you get sickness, you don't get level. Malaria they make person like say poor. No, because if you say you get malaria, you don't know if you buy fleet. Your house no get net. Those kind of sickness, no good. Like typhoid. Useless sickness, shameless sickness. Oh, so baskets no fit buy bottled water. Now roadside it is the job. No sickness no good. Like the first day, 3 years ago, now I find out say I get allergy. Hell! I never happy like that for my life before. Because allergy now for rich men. No only poor children. You go just say, oh, he's allergic to mango. Yeah, yes, he's allergic to SIM card. He can't touch SIM card. If he touch SIM card, what's not going to come out from me? All these rich men children are stupid sickness that they get. Allergy now, the day when they tell me say I get allergy. For Saturday, I go Cape Town, I can't go eat shrimps. Cold shrimps. As I eat the thing, my face can swell, mouth they itch me. I rush to hospital, they say, sir, I'm afraid you've got allergy, you're allergic to something. What did you eat today? I can't tell them it's cold shrimp. They say no, they need to check the temperature of the shrimp. Oh! Oh man. I say, now I don't arrive. You know, say maybe you don't get allergy. You know, say you don't hammer. So, that one pass. The next thing, I can't do some travel recently. As I come back, my chest they pain me. High level pneumonia. But the way the guy talk, he no talk the way they talk malaria. Malaria, typhoid, all those useless sickness. Then they will say, they will just say, sir, you have malaria. Sir, you have typhoid. But that one, the guy says, sir, you're down with pneumonia. You're down. The English, they come with, they don't use pidgin English, the person say you get pneumonia. Because the doctor said, nah, Jebo doctor, they didn't know. I left, I said, tell me I get pneumonia. I said, are you kidding me? I happy, it means say my AC, they work. I get this, I did travel. So they tell me, I get it, and I say, oh, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, you'll be losing dread, you'll be doing that. I said, okay, no problem. But then I couldn't think, because I know it was the time I went to, it was one of those, before I go to talk places where I go, people will say they feel like safe. And because you don't travel now, we're not going here. Yes, I don't travel. The time where I go to Toronto, man, I'm going to die. My fault, I may give myself visa. So I went to Toronto cold, minus 22. The cold. That's why, see my tell you the truth. All this one when they go say Nigeria, person they sleep, reach the pressure, that the weather. No way she did those cold area. So because they see which will cover duvet, if I person go press. Or they wear jacket, winter jacket, if I will go press. And they tell me say, I can't think I said 22. It was minus 22. The cold hugged me. I couldn't think, which means in Nigeria, our coldest weather at plus 22. Like yesterday was 22. You know? And people say, man, it's so cold, which means the day when Nigeria go there minus 5. Now that time we go use no say all those beggars when they marry land, so they get house. We say that my brother go house, go sleep. I don't get time for. I know vex, I don't feel run up and down. But we do keep. And news type of that. And some streets don't get light to you. How can you take put from out? Remember I charge my phone and they go. You get called iPhone. So, how they talk. So, so the doctor now said they're going to be giving me Rocephin. That's the antibiotics they're going to give me. They start 2 days ago, so today was my third one. With that antibiotic strong. The guy says, I read them, it is so strong, to the point where we say, if I, as I did like this, so the antibiotic now 3 I don't take. So the antibiotic does so much, like if I sleep with girl, we get gonorrhea, syphilis, and like 2 other STDs, I will cure them. If I don't want to know well, antibiotics they throw away from my body like this. Have you got antibiotics? Okay. So now, no, but I don't touch mic. I will soon come. I know if you talk past this one. Man, no vex. So the last one I want to talk before I go. You know, say you don't get any kind of talk where you could talk. Oh boy, man, I vex. I beg, guys, man, chill. I get to catch my breath. So let me go back for the people, the all the government people. I know, say when I get direct number to this guy, Buhari. I tell him, you don't fuck up, see that statement where you make a kind statement. You tell you say they're lazy. No, I never apologize. Only use the weight. I know how they use the weight, and the only one thing, okay, tell her, the only thing if we do, bros, bros, I want to tell you something important. I don't want to. When you see him, bros, Mr. So, what I said, the only way that man can win this election, the only thing that man can do to win 2019 election, simple, make him legalize Igbo. That Igbo is in a party, shower. Then. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you know, say that they talk about is gun violence and all the crap going on. The world is getting crazier every day. You know, telecommunication is kicking ass. Phones don't they cause a lot of marriages to get messed up. Women know they use IC man phone. Men don't feel like again in peace. You know, everything just spoil. You go see those days where you say your papa go tell your master they go walk. You come back anytime you like. Where are you coming from? Walk. Why did you come late? We had meeting. She go say, okay. No way to catch anybody. Now, lie that lie. I'm in the board meeting. Take a picture. Because see where men, some men they hotel, the fire manager of hotel. Excuse me, where's your boardroom? Call your staff. We need to do a board meeting now so I can take some pictures. Thing don't spoil now. You don't spoil everything. The world don't spoil. See now people they carry gun up and down. You go see America. For Yankee, you see guys they carry gun. Are you mad? And Americans they can stop this thing, but they don't want to stop because they make so much money from the business. You understand? That industry makes so much money. You understand? Billions of dollars. So they won't stop. They would rather pick the money before the lives of people. Do you understand? And it's so easy to get this thing sorted. Easy. You have all the social security numbers of all the people we don't sell guns to. You have the addresses with social security number. Retrieve the guns. Retrieve everything. And simple. Don't change the law. Don't amend anything. Just retrieve the gun. Then make it more expensive. Retrieve the gun, refund their money. Then make gun like $500K for one gun. Bullets, $50,000. Most you will kill. You get money, you buy gun of 500. Just say you don't fit buy the gun. You can't go borrow gun. You go buy bullets, I mean, and bullet now 50K. Then guess what? One bullet they keep person up. So if you want to keep person, your aim must be good. If your aim is not good, you must near the person. Can't shoot her. And the only person if you shoot her, you know say they will kill. If you shoot her here, so you want them to say the person will come there, they wait for you. And you want to shoot me, make sure say you get here. Nobody, everybody, population go plenty. Nobody go kill anybody because it's going to be too expensive. Because you want because you need like 3 bullets to kill fat person. You understand? Me now, maybe now 1 bullet or 1.5. Bullet, boom. We go buy gun. Because some people they work hard just to kill one person. And you say if they use 50K, kill 1 bullet. You know that 1 bullet. If they use 150K or 200K, kill you. You deserve to die. What do you do? We go make person use $200,000. Use $200,000. You kill. What do you do? Die. You crazy? He died. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's my time. Now I have to go. I don't tire. Lord, since Your Excellency, I'm sorry about that joke. I'm not trying to say that the president should legalize marijuana. It's wrong. It's wrong. No, just a joke, sir. Just a joke. He should just legalize only the codeine. Just.
You know, for the Lagos now, if you're not trying to wait till the rain, if you park, hello. Okay, no, stop. Hey, I don't know about this one. Olami, they not play. I mean, you don't get this one. This the one with the thief phone and money. The one with the thief phone and money. I mean, this I mean. Wait. But see, in this Lagos, if you are even if you're a big man, you don't know how to shackle. You feel not win election, hello. You must do the things that are raining. The only place in Nigeria that I know you can survive without money, only packaging, you will live long, is Lagos. In this Lagos, oh God, just as if politics not a pay again, hello. When did they pay? Politicians wey go travel come off for other states, if they call Lagos, if like say they go Europe, hello. This town is too sophisticated. You don't pass toll gates recently. You don't pass Third Mainland. You don't see all those Oyibo guys with bike. They go stop. Chest, everything, machine, clean, they shine. As they come down, the only problem is if you use Yoruba to say kilo shell. But the packaging before, if your car stop for Third Mainland and you are alone, you know you are finished. Clap for our government, don't give us super force. Last year when my car stopped for Third Mainland, now only me day. Those boys, I don't know where they come out from. It's like they grow under the bridge. Before you know, boys when they come out, I say, hey, they don't do me before. So the next time I see it happen, now I come out from my car. Boy, shit! Leave the motor, start to the job. Naked, they go. Now I say, tu sais la personne contenant la quête, nous là c'est Cameroun la oreille. Now the guy look me. Souma say la say pressure, I say pressure la worry la Lagos. Now the guy say calm down, who's thief you be? I said tife la worry ya da.
Ladies and gentlemen, $1 million winner, contestant number 110. Applaudez the winner of the Bigger Comedy Challenge 2018. Please step forward, step forward. This humility will not help you. You have to perfect million. Ladies and gentlemen, apropos, a round of applause for you.
A warm greeting from His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode. And let me especially thank all the stand-up comedians that have performed here this evening. It has been a very wonderful evening. And as you can see, this is the second edition of Lagos Laugh. The first edition, the Excellency Governor of Lagos State was here. Personally, we would have loved to be here this evening to join your please assurance that this is just the beginning of new things to come as far as the entertainment industry is concerned. The government of Governor Akinwumi Ambode has shown a firm commitment to support the entertainment industry. He has started with the music industry, now is the turn of the stand-up comedian industry. And we are assuring you on his behalf that the government of Lagos State, I want to congratulate the winner of this year's edition of stand-up comedy. Yes, the Bigger Comedy Challenge. So I say congratulations to your Excellency. Thank you and God bless you.
We thank you for commenting on our videos. Please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.peanuts.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.